Hi everyone, this week we are going to get your letterhead, envelope, and business card going. You're going to take your logo and put them on all of those. I've created a little demo that might help. If you're familiar with Illustrator, you shouldn't have any problem with this task. If you aren't, let me know and I'd be happy to help you through it. We could even do a phone call tutorial kind of thing. Happy to do that. You could also do it in InDesign. I usually prefer Illustrator because that's how I started, but I think most graphic designers probably put a lot of their print work together in InDesign. So if you haven't used that and that is your goal to work as a designer, the more practice you get with it, the better. The other part of this week's work is to find some examples of letterhead. Some that you like, some that you don't like. And by letterhead, I mean the whole correspondence kit, such as this one. I mean the letterhead, the envelope, the business card. Usually as designers, these are all presented together. You'll see a lot of them like this on Behance. Very inspiring. Beautiful work on here, a lot of it on here. Also, find examples of ones you don't like, and for both of these, explain why you feel that they don't work. Just don't say I like it, I don't like it. This is all over the place. I could talk about it for a half hour. I won't. So that's what's going on for this week. I'm also posting the 2-week assignment, which is your standards guide. After you do this week's work, this should be a piece of cake for you. I talk about it in depth in this video, so be sure to check it out. There's also an example in here. But this is due in 2 weeks, and it's basically an extensive style guide for your letterhead. And as you'll see, for you guys, it'll just pretty much be putting pieces that you've already done together and making it look good. All right, so that's all I got to say for this week. Once again, let me know in the chat what times to meet work for you. I did not get a consensus. So what I am going to do, we're going to have a group discussion about the standards guide, and I'll set up 2 times, one in the morning and then I guess one in the evening, maybe after 6. That seems like it could work for both early risers and then late risers. So a couple people posted in here. If you don't post in here, I'm going to know you're not looking at these videos, and it's sort of important because we're not meeting, so we need to have some touch tone, touching base, I don't even know what I'm saying. We need to meet, so let me know morning or night what works for you. All right, guys, have a good week. Let me know if you have any questions.